My name is Ron Voit, inventor of ForeverBoard. Today we're going to do a demonstration how to install it. We're going to start with the basics of the front of the board is a nice white color and a very smooth finish, a level 4. If we turn the board around, you'll notice the back side of the board is a darker color gray and it's a very rough texture. Now we're going to demonstrate how to screw it up. We've pre-marked the board so we know for the demonstration purpose only. We're going to be using a anti-corrosive screw, such as a ceramic or a zinc-coated screw. We're going to put the screws in every 8 inches. Now that we've finished fastening the ForeverBoard to the wall, we are going to seal the drywall with a product called Sticks, produced by Benjamin Moore. Now that the primer on the ForeverBoard is dry, we are going to apply a Westpak all-purpose joint compound with paper tape. As you notice, the edges are beveled, so the tape is countersunk under the mud. Now that our drywall compound is dry, we go to the next step, which is sanding it down. Once you get the board sanded, then you take your Sticks primer, do your second coat. You can also sand it down with an 80 grit paper and give it a level 5 finish. And after you're done with that, you can go to your level 4 paints or a level 5 paint. The next step we're going to show here is how to use the board throughout the house, in the kitchen, and in the bathrooms and wet areas by applying your ceramic tile or marble tiles. All right, now we're going to demonstrate how to apply tile to the already primed ForeverBoard. We're going to use a 1/4 inch trowel, notch trowel, to apply the mastic. Tap it into place, wipe off the excess glue, and do the next tile. Now I'm going to show you how to apply stucco to ForeverBoard. The ForeverBoard has already been primed with Sticks, and now we're going to set the screening with some corrosive resistant screws. Now I take the stucco and I apply it. I'm applying the base coat. Once it's dry, then you can put your paint on it. And I hope I've given you a lot of ideas with the different types of applications of ForeverBoard. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call our office or look us up on the web at foreverboard.net.